If you've been using AI, you probably master ChatGPT. Everybody does. You ask it a question, you got an answer. Ask it to write an email. It writes an email. It's an incredible tool. But you've probably felt its limitations. You have to copy and paste the emails, search for the images, and do the actual work to connect the dots. You're feeling the exact wall the entire industry hit. And the solution everyone is now racing to build is called Agentic AI.
More agentic capabilities,
AI agents,
agentic workflows,
agentic.
You hear this term everywhere from 2026, and there is a lot of hype. My job as an AI agent tester is to cut through the hype and give you a clear and non-technical breakdown. So, what is Agentic AI? And why is it the next massive shift? Let's get right into it. The best way to understand this is to stop thinking about AI like a tool and start thinking about it like a colleague. A generative AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok are all passive tools. It's like the world's smartest, fastest intern, but it waits for your instruction. You have to give it a specific prompt, and then it gives you a specific output, and then stop and wait for your next prompt. You are the manager. You have to micromanage every single step. And Agentic AI, it's an autonomous colleague. You don't give it prompt, you give it goals. That's the entire difference. Instead of saying, write a marketing campaign for a new product, you say, launch a marketing campaign for a new product. An AI agent can plan, reason, and use tools to execute multiple step tasks without you. An AI agent can browse the internet, use other apps, interact with other AI agents, and even learn from its mistakes to complete a goal. It's the difference between a calculator and an accountant. Now, this is where the hype versus the reality analysis from my research comes in. You are going to see tons of apps claiming to be agentic, but the reality is most of them aren't. My latest market analysis shows that many new platforms suffer from what I call 40% failure rate. They'll start the task and then get confused by a website login or an unexpected error and just stop, leaving you to clean up the mess. This is why building a true agent is so difficult. It's not just about being smart, generative AI. It's about being capable, agentic AI. So, who is actually getting it right? This is exactly what I've spent all day testing. We are seeing two main groups emerging. You have the giants like Google, Salesforce, Adobe. They are building these capabilities into their massive system. For example, Google is building what it calls agent-to-agent protocol, a kind of universal language that allows their agent to speak to Salesforce agents who can speak to your website's agents. This is a long-term vision, a world where your AI colleagues are communicating in the background to get work done. This is what I'm really excited about, the specialist challengers. There are new companies building AI employees you can hire today to do one job really, really well. A perfect example from my database is a platform called Artisan.ai. You don't prompt their AI, Ava. You hire Ava. She shows up in your Slack or email just like a human marketing coordinator. You give her tasks like analyze our competitors, and draft a blog post on why our products are better. And then she just does it. Then she comes back few hours later with a research, a draft, and even propose a social media post. That is exactly what I call agentic shift. So let's recap. Generative AI is a tool you command one prompt at a time. Agentic AI is a colleague you work with by giving it goals. This isn't just a new feature. It's completely a new way of working with technology. And while it's still early, and a lot of it is still just hype, but the platforms that get this right will fundamentally change every industry. My job is to test them all, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and give you a straight, non-technical truth. This is the very first concept in my Agentic AI roadmap. And if you are ready for the next step and wants to see my full hands-on test drive on platforms like Artisan and the others, I've compiled everything for you. So you can find all my reviews, guides, and AI agent database over on Deviceterra.blog or Deviceterra.com. Thanks for watching.